Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC. That's right, you saw the title and thumbnail. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video here. Just got this guy in today, delivered in the mail, and we're not wasting any time. We're going to go ahead and dive right into it. Got this box here from an order I placed on Knife Center a little bit of a while back. Finally came through because they finally got it in stock, and I cannot wait to dig into this box, get this knife out, and start EDCing the crap out of it. So doing the honors today, of course, is the Spyderco Yojimbo. I actually ordered both of these at the same time, the Yojimbo and this knife in here, and the Yojimbo was in stock. They shipped it right away, and then this guy here took a little bit longer, of course. But yeah, the Yojimbo has been a blast to EDC. I've been having lots and lots of fun with it. There is a review video now up on the channel for this guy, so if you want to check it out, learn more about the Yojimbo too, go ahead and take a look. I'll probably put a card here somewhere. By the way, guys, all links are in the description for every knife in this video. Those links, of course, do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. And without further ado, all right, let's go ahead and make a cut here somewhere. What's going to be the best spot? I think somewhere right here. Here we go. Boom, look at that sexy Warncliffe blade right there, putting in work. Boom, boom, here we go. We got some peanuts going on. And this again is from Knife Center. Let's go ahead and take a look here. What could it be? Black and red. What is that a sign of? What is that a sign of? Of course, we have a Spyderco knife going on here. We've got another Spidey knife going on, so that's awesome. We got a nice Knife Center sticker here. It's gonna be good for the collection. I've been putting together a lot of stickers there for my knife storage solution. I'm gonna do a video on that sometime soon. And then here is the highlight of the video, the Spyderco Manix 2. The Spyderco Manix 2. I gotta tell you, this is of course USA knife. This is one that I've been looking forward to for the longest, and I cannot wait to crack this open. So let me clean up here a little bit, shall we? All right, let's take a look here. You guys already know a typical Spyder box, black and red with the gold Spidey logo right there. And without further ado, here we go. Let's go ahead and slide this bad boy open right here. Here is the knife, of course. We have a nice, the edge is ghost sticker right there, as typical. Here is the product and information warranty guide right there. Let me open this bad boy here. If you want to go ahead and pause the screen, you can learn more about this knife. Go ahead and pause it right now. Boom, that out of the way. All right, what else we got here? A nice, good, comfy foam right there. So your Spidey knife is taking a good sleep, good nap there while it makes its way over to you. So let's get this out of the way here, and let's see. All right, here we go. First impression on the Spyderco Manix 2. Holy moly. Okay. Yeah, it definitely gives me Spyderco Yojimbo vibes a little bit, of course. I want to say maybe a little bit heavier. That's some first impressions right there. Of course, the big linear tube right there, just like the PM2. And yeah, we got some other Spydercos right here. We're going to be comparing this bad boy. Again, this is an unboxing video, so we're going to be doing some first impressions. Okay, let's take a look at this bad boy here. There we go. Here we go. First open. Bam, take a look at that S30V steel right here. This is a USA knife. Got the Golden Colorado USA earth right there. All right, needless to say, this is my first experience with the Spyderco ball bearing lock right here. This guy, of course, I'm very used to their compression lock. I've got plenty of those so far that I've been experiencing. And also the button on the Spyderco Smuck, which is also another version of the compression lock. But this is the ball bearing lock here from Spyderco. And this action, oh snap. Okay, all right, I see what the fuss is all about when it comes to deployment here. Okay, so it works very similar in a way, or at least the looks of it, right? It reminds you a lot of the crossbar lock, axis lock, anything along those lines, but this is Spyderco's own patented version of that, right? So you can, of course, deploy the knife like that, right? Of course, you could do the Spidey deployment all day, every day, or you could do the reverse flick. Bam! I can tell you right off the bat. Oh snap, that reverse flick, just like any good old Spyderco, is my favorite, best way to deploy this guy, no doubt about that. So I am so excited to EDC this knife. You guys have no idea. This one is rocking the G10 black scales going on here. And of course we have the Spidey pocket clip here, which is going to be replaced here very quickly, very soon. I'm going to be slapping this aftermarket deep carry pocket clip on this bad boy, just so that I can get a little bit better deep carry experience on this guy, something like that. This one is the intro version to this knife. I like to experience knives, right, especially at this early stage of my YouTube channel. Don't have the money to get any expensive steels or anything like that. So of course I typically go for the entry version of some of the knives. And so far I have not been disappointed. So S30V, very similar to the steel on the Smock and the Yojimbo. I got this nice leaf shaped blade right there, which is a flat grind going on both sides. So that reminds me a lot of the PM2 and Para 3 as well. So lots of similarities going on. Some great jimping in the back here, the spine. That looks awesome. I can see there's an option here for a forward choke on this guy. Oh man, that is really, really good. I can already tell. And the default position, you got your index, middle, and ring and pinky right there. Ergonomically speaking, I mean, this is comfortable and good. I can get a good grip right here with my thumb with this jimping going on there. This is really, really good. And there is a XL version of this guy. Keep in mind, this is only the regular size Manix 2, Spyderco Manix 2. There's an XL version of this guy, so I can only imagine how much more of a tank that is. But this one, I mean, again, I have medium hands, not too small, not too large, and this one feels really, really good. Again, this is just a first impression video, just giving you an idea there, kind of what are the first takeaways as we take this guy out of the box. So I can tell this is going to be a beast of an EDC. Let me show you some quick comparisons. I now have five Spyderco knives, so I'm just gonna give them to you in this order in which I acquire them. First, I got my PM2, because we all know the PM2 is just a heck of a solid EDC knife. You gotta get the smaller brother, of course, the Para 3. That was my second knife. I actually believe I got both of those around the same time. Then I fell in love with the Spyderco Smock, and that's been a beast of a knife. Both of these are flat grind, PM2 and Para 3. The Smock was the first one to have a hollow grind, and as of recently, right, the Yojimbo was my most recent Spyderco acquisition, also with a very sexy blade, aggressive Warncliffe blade, and also a hollow grind. And then last but not least, bam, this guy. Guys, words cannot describe how happy I am. This guy is going to be a blast. And bam, there it is. That completes the 5 Spydercos, my first 5 Spydercos so far in the channel. The Manix 2 has S30V, just like the Smock and the Yojimbo 2. And the PM2 and Para 3 both have S45VN. I love every single one of them so far, and I cannot wait to experience this Manix 2. I already love it, so I can tell it's going to be an awesome experience. Of course, I'm going to EDC it for about 2 weeks, and then I'm going to get back to you with a comprehensive review, sharing everything that you need to know about the knife, the good, the bad, the ugly, pros and cons, you know, feedback, all that good stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be a great experience. I cannot wait. I'm excited for my Spyderco collection, slowly but surely growing one knife at a time. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. Again, I cannot wait to EDC this knife and get back to you with everything you need to know. Now, is it any secret that Spyderco knives are super sharp out of the box? Of course not. But I know you guys, some of you enjoy seeing what the paper cutting test looks like. So here we go. Out of the box, Spyderco Manix 2. Without further ado, I got the forward choke grip going on here, and bam, boom. I gotta tell you, if there's something consistent about Spyderco knives, that sticker right there, the edge is a ghost. They are not kidding. They truly mean it. Quality check is on point. You're getting a tank of a knife, and it is sure to perform. Cardboard as well. Here we go. Keep in mind, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular like this. Kind of do it at an angle like that, and I'm sure this thing, boom, gonna cut like crazy. Right, again, flat grind going on here, so you know that's gonna be a slicing knife. Boom, there it is, guys. Rate it from scale from 1 through 10. Those are the first cuts on this knife ever out of the box. You can already see some of that oil that it comes with out of the box, right? Got some streaks going on right there before I even wipe it off. So hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Again, just some quick summary, right? We're not going in depth or anything like that in this video, just giving you some quick first impressions. Typical G10, just like every other knife in the Spyderco fashion, so that's solid. Again, the ball bearing lock, which is unique to the Manix 2, so I can't wait to experience that. Super excited, looking forward to it. And of course, you have the Spidey hole, just as it is signature for every Spyderco knife. I gotta tell you, man, for someone who really did not like Spydercos at all at the beginning, to me they look like such ugly, weird, quirky looking knives, right? Dead bird, just like Metal Complex will say. I'm sure that's crossed all of our minds at some point. I have fallen in love hard with this company, and so far I have not been disappointed, and I look forward to it continuing to be that way into the future. But hey, that's the unboxing video. Those are my first impressions, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed enjoyed my experience here. You've been able to share this awesome moment with me. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I make all kinds of knife and EDC gear videos. Knives that I own, that of course I like or don't like, right? All kinds of knife videos for your viewing pleasure. So do consider subscribing. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, well, thumbs down. Either way, guys, thank you so much. If you made it to the end, you guys are the real MVPs. Love you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next upload. Peace.